నమస్కారం. నా పేరు సుష్మిత ఐశ్వర్య. అండ్ నేను ఒక చిన్న ట్రై చేశాను టు పుట్ ఇన్ మై ఫీలింగ్స్. ఒక డార్క్ ఫేస్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు చాలానే వెళ్తూ ఉంటాయి బ్రెయిన్లో. అండ్ ఈరోజు సూసైడ్ ప్రివెన్షన్ డే గురించి ఎస్ సార్, సూసైడ్ ప్రివెన్షన్ డే ఇందాక మీరు చెప్పినట్టే స్టార్టింగ్ విత్ యాంగ్జైటీ అండ్ అక్కడి నుంచి స్ట్రెస్ నుంచే స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. అండ్ దాట్ అందరి లైఫ్స్లో అలాంటి ఫేసెస్ ఉంటాయి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ సంథింగ్ ఐ ట్రై టు పుట్ ఇన్ వర్డ్స్. ప్లీజ్ బేర్ విత్ మీ. Crashing is what all I feel. Crashing is what all I feel. In this uncertainty, all I feel is crashing of everything around me. I feel like a hamster running around in the same loop, hoping to get away, knowing that it is a circle and there is no chance of an escape. I feel like locked in a dark tunnel, searching for my way out, walking and walking to find the light at the infinite tunnel. How do I express this feeling of physically being so near to a person and yet so far? The only thing that remains constant is the increasing pit in my heart. The feel of a comforting hug that remains to be an unreachable luxury. The times in which social distancing is turning out to be pretty real as you find an invisible barrier between every person in your close circle. The feel of getting used to tears, hurt, and frustration as if they are a constant part of you. The bubbles of happiness turning to the pools of sorrow in which I constantly seem to drown. The feeling of always battling an invisible enemy that surrounds you with impenetrable amount of darkness and helplessness. When fictional characters feel more than the real persons around you, and the only thing that keeps you sane are the books you cherish. The feel of wanting to be sucked into something to escape the reality in which you live. Suddenly, the prospect of feeling numb seems so welcoming. The dreams that lit passion and fueled soul turning to be the very reason to curse yourself every day. Yes, the world does change. Every time, every day. It goes unnoticed in the whirlwind of our daily lives. But when the world stopped abruptly, giving us a chance to examine ourselves, then why do I start appreciating the art of unnoticing? When you feel the need to have a translator to express everything that you are trying to express in a way people can understand, when you feel like you're talking in an entirely different language that people seem not to be understanding the utter obviousness in your part, when insults thrown at you pierce a long way in your soul that refuses you to go too near the person, when you start shielding yourself from everything and start shutting yourself up, is that the same thing? When I love you seems a pretty big word to be given to anyone, I start to wonder how easily that rolled off my tongue every time in the past. When you pray that you will wake up one day from this nightmare to a bright, happy morning, reassuring yourself that everything you felt is not real. When you start craving affection and applause more than food and water. When you feel like ripping and burning everything to its last atoms. When you're afraid of unleashing the beast within you that somehow started to grow tremendously, afraid that it may cause destruction you badly want to cause. When you are sacked of beautiful and colorful dreams to be replaced by deadly nightmares. When you wonder whether you are living in a bubble or the bubble in which you were living was busted. The ghost of a smile that plays on my lips when I see the innocent smile and twinkle in my eyes in the old pictures. Wishing that I always remain a toddler, no big worrying or guilty conscience, but just the feeling of genuine happiness in whatever I do. The feeling you get when you know you're falling into a pit and still can't do anything about it. When tears are more obvious than a heartfelt smile. When you badly want to do something but cannot get yourself to do it. When you don't know how to express the way you feel. When you find solace in nature more than people. When comforting becomes a necessity everyone chose to ignore. When I start to wonder, where did all my empathy vanish? When I turn back and think, the uncertainty that is prevailing now isn't something new. It has been there all the time, coming and surprising us. This time, it donned a new mask, like it always does. And yet, here I am, hoping that tomorrow will be a bright and with more life than it is today, internally cursing myself, that I will get nothing but disappointment. Yet, my heart asks me to hold on, let the moments pass, let myself feel everything, even if it means experiencing crashing, so be it. Experience each and every emotion, for their mere meaning of life is to experience. Thank you.